So which group is calling your name, guys? Group 1, 2, or 3? Go ahead and visit the comment section down below or the description box to go ahead and check out the timestamp for which reading you guys are gonna get. So this is definitely gonna be a beautiful reading for you. It's gonna be connected to the archangels and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful angelic reading. So those of you who picked group 1, let's see what your cards are. It looks like you guys got the 4 of Air. You have the Queen of Air, you have Strength with double ones, and you have Zero, the Dreamer, Archangel Metron. So I feel like you guys have to make a big decision. And with this decision, guys, you're definitely gonna have to be on your toes. Like, you're gonna need to be persistent and make this decision. It's not something you can sweep under the rug. But you guys are definitely gonna need to take a deep breath, take a step back, see things through different lens of eyes, guys, from different perspectives, and make the right decision. So you guys are gonna have to take time, relax, take a little mini vacation before you guys go ahead and make this decision. You guys can also work with the element of air to help clear your energetic field and your path to help you be in alignment with your higher self to make this decision. The objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves, seeing the humor in a situation. You guys, like I said, need to see things through like a different perspective, through the beautiful clear crystal sphere, and through this you guys are going to be able to make that decision. And you're also going to need to channel your inner strength with Archangel Ariel. Great inner strength, release harsh judgments, forgiveness, and compassion. And the Dreamer, Archangel Metron. A leap of faith, follow your dreams, unexpected opportunities. So by taking this leap of faith, guys, you are going to have some beautiful, unexpected opportunities come your way. And through making that decision, obviously you guys are going to have to take some time, but once you do make this decision, beautiful things are going to be revealed to you. Maybe like seeing things through that different lens and perspective is how you guys are going to be getting a blessing, and it can be coming through a way you didn't even think was possible. So that beautiful blessing will be coming to you guys when you do go ahead and make that decision. Once you guys take a little rest, you know, that little break that you need. So you definitely want to take that rest, see things through a different lens, and channel your inner strength and release those harsh judgments, those lower vibrations that aren't serving anyone's good. And I hope this is going to give you guys a little bit of clarity to your situation. So I feel like for most of you this is a work situation where you have to come up with this strategy, this plan to execute X, Y, and Z, and make this a final statement, make it done, be clear, and move on to the next best thing, guys. So take a little break, take a little step away, get some fresh air, and channel your inner strength, your inner divinity within you. Work with the beautiful Archangel Ariel, because she is the one that came through, as well as Archangel Metron. Archangel Metron is a beautiful magical archangel, and Archangel Ariel I feel like is more of a warrior spirit, and Metron is a warrior spirit in the ways of magic and the mystical arts. So you guys can pray to these beautiful two archangels with the element of air to help bring you to a state of peace and inspiration to get to where you need to be to make that final decision. I hope this, guys, helped you out, and that these archangels are going to help you kick some butt, make that final decision that you need, and just go ahead, take that step back, channel the element of air, clear your field of that energetic stagnant debris, and see things through that different perspective, and you guys will definitely be able to go ahead and make that final decision. So if you guys enjoyed this little reading, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below in the comment section. And you can also DM me on Instagram if you guys would like to receive your own personal reading as well. Hello group 2, let's go ahead and pull your cards out and see what beautiful messages we get from the archangels. Looks like we got the 9 of Water, the Page of Water, 9 of Earth, and 7 of Air, guys. Let me tune into the energies with the archangels and see what messages are coming your way. This is very exciting, group 2. It looks like we have a love reading for you. A partnership of romantic intimacy is definitely coming your way. But I do see 2 little hiccups that is on your guys' end, doing a little self-sabotage. So mental note, no self-sabotage. Channel your inner kick butt divine higher self and Be your authentic self, live your life, love freely, and let everything come from your heart center and do things that are going to make you and your significant other happy. Do things that come from your own heart, letting your emotions flow if they need to flow. Happy tears, sad tears, be true to yourself, because I'm getting lots of beautiful romantic love energy that is going to enter your guys' life within the next 6 months. And I am seeing time to buckle down, get things done, honor your commitments, a guardian angel. So you guys need to buckle down and get those commitments and promises made in order. I do see some of you trying to make some accusations, some claims that you're this, you're that, and you're going to be able to do something for your significant other, but it's not going to happen because it's out of your ability to get this done, but you're thinking you can do X, Y, and Z to get there. Don't be such of a show-off, guys, because it's not going to get you anywhere. You're not going to be able to do that, and you're going to be led on as like a liar. They're not going to really like you. You're going to annoy them. And with the 7 of air, plans need revision, more ongoing. That meets the eye, poor timing. So definitely poor timing on your end, making up some beautiful, beautiful story to attract the other person to get to like you. But no matter what, they're gonna love you for who you are. You just gotta be your true, authentic self is what I'm definitely getting, guys. So be your true, authentic self, love freely, from your heart chakra with all the green, let it shoot from all directions, be yourself. So with the 9 of water and the page of water, guys, it says, your wish comes true, concerns fade away, a love for life. So you guys are slowly soon gonna have a love for life, and a beautiful wish of yours will be coming true. You guys got the 9 of water, like the 9 of cups, so beautiful. So with this beautiful blessings coming your guys' way, one of these cups is gonna be a love. And it looks like with page of water, it's intuitive, sensitive, artistic, and friendly. So through this beautiful love gift, a new person enters your life, a relationship begins a new phase, heightened psychic abilities. So your psychic abilities could arise too, guys. Definitely tune into your spiritual team, your guardian angel, your spirit guides, the ascended masters, God, the archangels, to go ahead and lead you along your path to a beautiful state of peace and things that are in alignment for your highest and greatest good. So when this beautiful love is going to come into your life, guys, do things authentically, be your authentic self. There's no need to be a show-off because not all people like that quality. You guys can definitely grab their attention, let them love you, let all the emotions flow, and get this romantic partnership going on and having a grand old time. But you guys got to do it authentically and don't be doing the show-off thing. Do things and set goals. If your partner wants something that is a X amount of money, or it's gonna take a X amount of time to save up for the trip, make it fun, make it like a little game. You guys have your cute little mason jar, do a little Pinterest idea, you guys add some money in here and there and save up for that trip, the item that they want. Make it something fun and beautiful. You don't have to pretend and be upfront like you have all this money when you don't. If you're like mediocre, you're like not the most richest person, but you do got some money, but then things happen sometimes. You got to do investments, bills, unexpected like trouble happens and you need to pay for that and you have less money. Like, don't act like you have more because things can happen to where you won't, guys. So be that fun self of yours, live freely, do things from your heart. Don't be that little show-off. And when you do and channel from your heart, guys, you're gonna have a beautiful relationship coming your way, and that is your blessing coming your guys' way within the next 6 months. Some kind of beautiful gift will be coming your way, or there could be many gifts with the 9 of water, the 9 of cups, and that beautiful love will definitely be entering your life slowly after you get some beautiful divine gifts from the angels, the divine, God, and all the beautiful aspects of him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this message, and if it resonated with you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for all my future videos and fun readings. You can also DM me on Instagram if you guys would like your own personal reading from me on there as well. And until next time, I will see you then. Blessed be. Alrighty guys, hello group 3, let's get your cards spread out and let's see what beautiful divine messages the angels have for you guys today. We got 2 beautiful Archangel cards, guys. That's like what group 1 had. How beautiful. We have the Knight of Water, emotional, romantic, enthusiastic, contemplative, guys. We have the Star, Archangel Jophiel, the Sun, Archangel Uriel, and the 7 of Fire. So while I give you your message for this reading, through this change, challenge, or whatever is going on, definitely work with Archangel Jophiel and Archangel Uriel because they're definitely coming through for you guys. So it looks like we got with the first card, falling in love, our wedding proposals, the need to balance emotions, and invitation to a social event. Ooh, that is such an exciting card, guys. And it looks like the next one says, happy times, making positive, optimistic, long-term plans on the right path. The following card is happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success, have confidence in yourself, and the last card is Seven of Fire, defend your beliefs and decisions, stand your ground, choose your battles wisely. Ooh, I see so much for you guys. Let me tune into the energy with the archangels to give you an accurate reading. I'm sensing for you guys, some of you can be falling in love, you could be getting married, there's some kind of like event you have to go to as a couple, some kind of beautiful partnership is going to be going on. Some of you guys might be invited to a work event, like through a friend or like through an associate at work, you're going to be invited to like a party. Something is going to be going on for you guys, and there's a very beautiful, loving, benevolent energy to it. There's so many happy times ahead. Be positive, optimistic, manifest all of these beautiful things that are already falling into your lap to be even more positive, optimistic, and thinking positive, channeling all those good manifestations to make your physical reality that beautiful outcome. I see so much beautiful things coming for you guys. You got like the star and the sun. The sun is so strong, beautiful, and vibrant, and the beautiful stars are like little suns. So much beauty coming you guys' way, and a beautiful emergence with the Seven of Fire. Through these things that are going to happen to you guys, whether you're getting married or whatever is going on, you need to defend your beliefs and decisions and stand your ground, but also choosing your battles wisely. There could be in-laws, friends, groups of people talking, there can be like a sly comment from a waiter, who knows what can be going on, guys. There's going to be a little something that may make you have to, you know, like, hey, you know what, that's actually not cool. My brother, my sister is like, and what do you call it? They have ADHD, they have that disability or something, and you can't be saying that comment like, hey, that's not cool, or hey, that's kind of racist, like maybe you shouldn't say that, that doesn't resonate with me, that's not cool, like you shouldn't be acting like that. So you guys can definitely, you need to stand your ground, but you also need to choose your battles wisely. So all can vary depending on wording. Like, is it worth it right now to really have an argument with like your wife's dad? Can it just be something that you can just like laugh over and change the subject? Or is it something that is really out of line and you gotta put the person in their place nicely and choose your battle wisely? But I do see a lot of love and guidance coming your way, that there's so much smooth sailing, but through our karma, past lives, and all that stuff, guys, we're all gonna have little lessons and challenges. So your lesson and your challenge is going to be with the Seven of Fire coming up. So that lesson and challenge, guys, is definitely going to be coming up with the Seven of Fire. Through this beautiful thing, whatever's going to be going on for you, it varies upon person watching, whether it's a romantic love story, it's a wedding proposal, it's the need to definitely for you to balance your emotions, and so much beauty is going to be coming your guys' way, but you're going to need to stand up for yourself, but you're also going to have to choose your battles wisely. So definitely stand your ground, but is it worth it is the question. So that is your little challenge that is going to be coming up ahead for you. But there's so much beauty, guys. There's going to be such a happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success, have confidence in yourself and your loved ones. Happy times, make positive, optimistic, long-term plans on the right path. So with the optimistic, long-term plans, it's like that commitment, that partnership. Either you might be proposed to or you're the proposer. I feel like most of you watching are going to be the proposer, and you guys are going to propose. And there's going to be beautiful long-term plans for you guys, but I do kind of see for those of you who are going to be getting married that there is definitely an in-law. There is some little S family member right here that's gonna be like, you're gonna need to ride your dragon and kick some butt with them maybe, but is it really worth it to stir that pot and create that drama? You know what I mean? I am seeing that for those of you. And then for those of you who are going to some kind of event, I do see some like, I'm getting a political term, guys, or something. If you're like in the political, you got your opinions on that kind of vibe. With the politicians, whether whatever political party you're a part of, I feel like there might be that kind of vibe going on, or something else, but someone's gonna stir you around and you're just gonna have to choose that battle wisely. But the star is such a beautiful card because it's your wish coming true. So much beauty in that, and the sun is the brightest star of them all, with that beautiful, awesome wish coming true, and so much beautiful outcome will be going your guys' way. I hope that this gave you guys some clarity to your beautiful future coming up. If you guys enjoyed this reading, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for my future videos. Let me know what kind of content you guys would love to see as well. And you can also DM me on Instagram to book yourself a private reading if you guys enjoyed what you saw here. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Blessed be.